Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Mazda 3 bumper, only way. Begin by inspecting the bumper, identifying broken clips, and preparing your workspace with tools and safety gear. Remove trim and disconnect lights carefully while keeping fasteners organized. Clean mating surfaces and test fit the replacement pieces. Apply adhesive and secure clips, then torque bolts, reconnect electricals, and verify alignment before a brief road check to confirm stability. Gather the right tools and parts to make the repair smooth and safe. Have a trim kit, torque wrench, replacement clips, bolts, and quality adhesive on hand before you start. Use a bright work light and magnetic parts tray to keep track of screws and clips. Photograph each step so you can reinstall fasteners correctly. Confirm part numbers to avoid returns and make sure the bumper aligns properly during the test fit. When reinstalling, position the bumper and loosely fit all fasteners to allow alignment adjustments. Step back and inspect gaps from several angles to ensure even spacing. Tighten bolts to the specified torque once alignment is perfect and snap in all clips fully. Reconnect fog lights and sensors, then test functions and clear any error codes if needed. Finish with a final inspection and a short road test to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.